Yes, people, Holy Wolf. We're down here, Camden Town, ready to try everything. All the foods, different shapes, sizes, flavors. Our mouths are gonna be watering by the end of this.
Listen, these men told me not to eat, so I'm hungry. So let's go. Alright, so we are here at Bun House. We got custard buns, chicken buns,
Waffle fries, Hong Kong style French toast. Look at the dexterity.
that's a dexterity. I haven't heard that word before. Cheers.
These ones here are dangerous.
Have you had the Walker's Mac, the paprika one? That's exactly what it tastes like.
Crispy on the outside, the inside is soft. It's like it's hugging your inside.
This is the chicken bao bun. How do you even hold these?
Like a little curried flavour.
Ooh, look at the sweetness of the bun.
Some little soy sauce in there.
Oh, the coconut coming through now. Two's not enough. I can box of 5 of these easily. Now for the taste test, custard buns. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You can tell these man put time, effort, sweat, blood, tears, all of it. Look at that ooze, that squeeze, that
It's really buff though.
This is the Hong Kong style French toast.
Oh my god, that's the one.
Yeah, for you sweet tooth lovers, sugar creators.
They didn't have to go that hard, you know.
So next up, the Mandom hit buck burgers. These are seasoning and blessing the meat like there's no tomorrow. These burgers were outrageously sized, genuinely astonished by the monstrosity. But don't worry, the Mandom have got this. Don't watch that.
Bro, I don't even know how to start.
I feel like I'm in love. I don't want to touch it. It's so beautiful. That's a good bite.
I need tissue. Thank you, brother. You see when the chicken is covered in sauce, no matter what inch you attack it off, you're getting sauce in your mouth. And the coleslaw on there, crispy, fresh, cold, balances it out, the rest of the flavors. I'm there for it any day of the week. Yes.
Really nice, smoky flavor to it. Patties are well done. The sauce is so good. Round of applause, bro.
I love it.
Round of applause.
Oh.
You got a little sign.
Look at that.
The cabbage and the teriyaki, bro. Nuts. I put this in my pocket right now, bro. I'm going hard.
We were eating so much inside. We need a little break outside.
What's the best way to take a break from food? More food.
More food! So obviously we helped Longboys and that. We got us a little raspberry and lychee John.
That's brownies.
Brownies. And then we got a lemon meringue. Tasty. Salud. You see this brownie Longboy? So good.
So I'm here with the raspberry and lychee Longboy. To even give you the fresh raspberries, I'm gonna take that off there right now, you know. Look inside. It's got a little paste out, I don't even know what it is. A little exotic fruit taste, it's a bit fresh, it's a bit sweet. I think it's the perfect way to take a break.
Wow. Leave me alone, I'm busy.
We're going back upstairs to get food, right? The stairs is long. I'm not even doing that, I can't lie. Lift this day up. Whoa! So we at Walla Guacamole. I remember we're trying everything. We got some tacos here, we got pork john, we got some chicken here, we got burritos and some quesadillas.
Bro, I'm ready for all of it, man.
Let's
I don't know about
go.
you. We need to protect the warrior inside with the nice shielding. The meat is just breaking apart on your tongue.
This is really good. So basically what happened was I bit, then my grill got caught. So I took the grill out and then moved it to the side. And the fresh cilantro as well, bro.
Yeah.
Cilantro?
We're in England, so coriander.
Coriander.
I know this is gonna slap already. Cheers. Oh my goodness. The pork is nice and soft. The guacamole balances out the spice. It's amazing.
And I'm gonna give the little homemade chili sauce a try as well. Made by the man himself behind the counter. Get that shot. Yeah. The meat is smoky. The chili sauce as well.
Quick substitution ref, Jose Mourinho and that.
I am Jose Mourinho.
I'm about to burn my esophagus. That hot sauce is a little tang, but for the weaklings, that's all for you.
Yeah, for you weasels, this is calm.
Man's been doing cheese balls for years, G.
Hey.
Yeah? Excuse me, Harley, you're meant to be on shift, mate.
Now, I'm Jamaican. So you know we had to go to Rudy's. We got some curry goat and rice, which I'm excited to taste. We got some jerk chicken and some seasoned fries. And we got some Boston wings as well.
Bro, I'm gonna go for the rice.
I'm gonna try the Boston wings though. Ooh, you got a kick, bro. The kick just comes out of nowhere and just, bro. I ain't been to Boston, but are they spicy like this?
The lamb, lamb's tender.
Wait, curry goat.
It's getting.
Go.
The goat is tender, it's spicy, it's juicy, it's succulent. The rice is coming up, just balancing out the flavors, man. And the beans are just subtle, just a little extra carb, just to fill you up here, little. I'm sure if I squeeze a bit of the lime on top as well, add a little bit of.
I'll be very real. If I wasn't on camera, I would demolish this wing differently.
But you know, as they say in every primary school, every high school, sharing is caring.
The rum punch is a nice mix as well, it's not too strong.
How have you got time for all this talking when there's this food here?
Let me grab a quick wing.
Is that good?
You need to run one right now, bro.
We need to get back to work. Okay, I will. I will.
Video.
Okay.
Try to drink.
But I don't know about you, I'm slumped.
Finished. The itis is doing me. But we were just at Holy Wolf in Camden and we tried absolutely everything.
We ate tacos, quesadillas, burgers, we had that curry goat and rice, them wings.
But if you like content like this, you know what to do, man. Like and subscribe and comment below, man.
I've been Maz.
I've been Relic and this has been Snackin with the
With
Mandom.
the Mandom.